I'm going to do a quick sound check while I'm out. I think I may have found the issue with the sound on this camera. I don't believe the port that I cut in the camera case was large enough, and I think it was forcing the pigtail out. So if you're hearing this, that's the problem, and it's solved. So I want to do a quick vlog. There's thunderstorms in the area, and we got some crazy humid weather that moved in. I have a few errands to run. I thought I'd vlog while I'm out and get this sound check done. I took a Dremel and opened up the hole a little bit. I actually tried to make it tight when I made it, so it would be sort of environmentally tight to keep dirt and whatever out. If I got a raindrop or something, it wouldn't go flying in there. Anyways, let's take a little ride. So hey, great news. It looks like I might actually be able to make it down to North Carolina. Some of the best riding on the East Coast after all this year. When I had my appendix out and I had to take that unintentional month off, I thought it was going to throw my vacation hours into a spin, which it did. But I don't know, they built back up quickly. I've calculated my time out, and I have enough now to take a week. And I have enough to do another week with my wife in February for something that we planned. Not on the motorcycle, of course. But a friend of mine had unknowingly to me been planning a trip down to North Carolina and the Smoky Mountain areas. And he mentioned it to me. And I decided to look into it, not thinking that I'd actually be able to do it. But as it turns out, I am able to do it. And at this point, it's pretty much all set. Sometimes if you just let things roll, shit happens. I just wanted to tell you about this trip that came up. Kind of low on fuel, plus I got to get some errands done, and I want to beat these storms. But thank you very much, Marvin. Made my little dream come true. We are going to be staying at the Iron Horse campgrounds, probably bunkhousing it. I don't really have a lot of camping gear. I have survival gear, but I don't have a tent or anything like that, so probably be staying at the bunkhouse. Mid-October. Hopefully the weather's halfway decent. And I am out in this 5 o'clock traffic. Later.